Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use the ABS function in Excel worksheet, and I will explain to you what is ABS function, and I will show you some examples to use how to use the function. Okay, so what is ABS function? ABS. Okay, ABS function is the absolute function, and it is well known function in max, that absolute function which helps you to remove the sign of number. Okay, so now I'll see I have few numbers here: 8, 19, 10, minus 12, 23, minus 67, and 9, minus 3, and minus 45, 100. Sorry, 45 minus 100. Okay, so what I'll have is ABS of the number which gives 19. That's fine. You have 19 become 19, 10 become 10, 20 minus 23 is 23. The sign is removed. You can see in the ABS function itself, if I type the function, it will automatically shows. See what is the function? Returns absolute value of a number without its sign. Okay, if you give a minus number, it will remove the sign. Okay, then minus 67 is 67. Now 9 minus 3, what is the answer? It's 6. So it is, sorry, ABS of 9 minus 3 is 6, positive 6. But when it comes to ABS of 45 minus 100, which is minus 55, how it is? It gives 55, positive. So this ABS function basically removes the negativity of the number. Okay, so why do we want to do this, removing the negativity? There are many times in mathematics you can use the numbers you want to ignore the negativity of the number. Okay, those kind of formulas you can use ABS. And also you are finding the distance between two places. Maybe you one direction it may be positive, the other direction may be negative, but it's actually in your problems you want to consider only the distance in positive. Okay, or in accounts also you may use the credits, debits calculations. You may have a negative one is maybe in negative, but you want to ignore the negativity part and add and say it is this much of credits, or this much of debits, or whatever. Okay, this kind of calculations, you want to remove the negativity of calculation, you can use absolute function ABS to remove the negative. Okay, I have some interesting example for you, which is help you to understand the ABS. This example is more like some trick of finding biggest and smallest of two numbers, and this without comparing those two numbers. Without comparing means you should not use 900. You must not compare the numbers like this. Okay, you must without using a logical comparison, how to find the biggest of two numbers or the smallest of two numbers. Okay, without comparing the numbers. Okay, now I'll type in the formula. Now I just want biggest of two numbers, ABS or we will go this way, maybe very understandable. I put first number plus the second number. So if I have first number and the second number, in this case the first number is the biggest number and the second number is the smallest number. So if I put the difference between A and B to B, if I add to B the difference, then both of them become AA. That means I am going to have 2 times of biggest number, right? So I put ABS of the difference between A and B, A minus B. The difference between A and B I am adding to B. That means it is going to be B again the biggest number. So it will give 2 times biggest number. Okay, in case A is a smaller number and B is the biggest number, then I add this difference between A and B to A, then this will also become biggest number. Then again I'll get to 2 times the biggest number, which is B. So this statement gives you, this formula gives you 2 times biggest number. Okay, so I'm just simply divide this by 2, then it is going to be the biggest number. Okay, in this case you can see 684. Okay, similarly I am doing for a smallest number. I have first number plus second number. Okay, for the biggest number I added the difference between A and B to the smallest number. Now for the smallest number I am going to subtract the difference. Subtract the difference between A and B from the biggest number. Now you can see I have 2 numbers A and B, and what I am doing is I am subtracting. For example, A is the biggest number, B is the smallest number. I am subtracting the difference from A, then I will get 2 times B, which is 2 times smallest numbers. Okay, in case if B is the biggest number and A is the smallest number, I am subtracting the difference of these 2 numbers from B. This will give a smallest number, because we subtracted the difference, so B become A, so it is 2 times A, which is, so this whole statement gives you the 2 times smallest number. So I simply divide by 2. Okay, so now you can see this is interesting, and the random functions also giving 310 and 130, only 3 digits combinations. Okay, so you have the biggest and smallest. Okay, so I tested for the different numbers. 47, 384. 384 is the biggest number, 47 is the smallest number, 151 is the smallest number, 904 is the biggest number. See, any kind of numbers, this formula is working fine, and hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel, so it will help. It's encouragement for me, and also leave your comments there. Okay, and God bless you.